Om Gurama. Om Gurama. Hi, my good evening, children. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am also very, very fine. Today, we are discussing about median concept. Okay. Now, till the article we have discussed the mole concept and mean concept and its corresponding problems in the 14.1 and 14.2 exercises. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the concept of median. So now, what is median? Okay, what is median? Median is nothing but the median value of the given data. Median value means what? Median observation in the given data. Okay. Now, for example, come to a geometry water. This is line. Okay. A, B. Okay. Now, here in this line segment, you are having a number of points. Yes or no? Yes. So, in the number of points, only 1 point will be 1 point on the line segment will be at equal distance from A and equal distance from B. Yes or no? So, this is nothing but this is we can call it as midpoint. Midpoint. Okay? Midpoint. Okay? Now, so this is nothing but the C is the midpoint of A. Means what? All points and all midpoints. That's all now. Only points in midpoint. So the point which is equal in the answer which is equal in distance from A and B is known as midpoint. Yes or no? Similarly, median is the median most value median most value of an observation in the given data. Okay? Median most value of the observation in the given data. Okay? Now for the ungroup data, how we can find the value of the median, how we can find the value of median ungroup data easy using the number of observations n. Okay? If n is given, then the median will be the average of n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 observation. Okay, n plus 1 by 2 observation. Into what? 2 observations are there. N by 2. 1 observation will be second observation will be n plus 1 by 2. These 2 observations we have to make an average. That is nothing but the average of these 2 observations is nothing but the median. Okay, now if n is odd number, means odd number of observations is odd number, like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are odd numbers now. If that is odd, then the median will be n by 2 observation. Okay? N by 2 observation. Okay? For example, we can take 2 examples for the ungroup data. Okay? and give data. Okay. Now 1, 13, 15, 17, 19. Okay? Here the given good data. Now count how many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n equal to 5. N equal to 5. 5 is an odd number. Okay? 5 is an odd number now. So 5 plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 equal to 5 plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 6 by 2. Okay? That is nothing but 3. Third observation. Okay? Third observation. What is third observation? 15. So mean equal to 15. Okay? In this way you have to find if n is odd number. Okay? Now I think so you understood. Okay? Now let's say if n is even. Okay? If n is even. If n is even. Okay? Then suppose take the example of 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, now home observations are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N equal to 8. N equal to 8. So, even. So, how you have to find the mean n value? How you have to find n value? Whatever n by 2 observation. Okay? N by 2 equal to what? 8 by 2. Okay? Equal to 4. It is fourth observation 9. Okay? Then n by 2 is 1. N by 2 is 1. Okay? N by 2 is 1. Okay? N by 2 is 1 equal to n by 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Fifth observation. Okay? Fifth observation. Fifth observation is what? 14. Now average of these two. So 14 plus 9 by 2. 14 plus 9 how much? 23. 23 by 2 equal to 13.11.5. Okay? 11.5 is the median of the given data. Okay? So if n is hard, n by 2 will be the n by 2 observation will be the median of the given data. Okay? For suppose if n is given, then the n by 2 and the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation is the median of the given data if n is given. Okay? In this way you can find the median value for the ungrouped data. Okay? Now what is median? Median is nothing but the minimum value that is present in the data. Okay, that means grouped data or ungrouped data. Okay, the minimum value, major value ni median data. Okay, ungrouped data in a say, grouped data in a say. Okay, so the minimum value of the given data is nothing but is known as median. Okay, now in this way we can find the value of the median for ungrouped data. Okay, now for grouped data, how we can find? There is one formula. Okay, the formula is very, very important. Okay, now this is ungrouped data. Okay, ungrouped data, how we can find the value of median? It is 6. Okay, now for grouped data, grouped data, grouped data, grouped data, grouped data, median equal to median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, this formula is available in your textbook, page number 346. Okay, now median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, it is nothing but lower boundary of the median curve. Lower boundary of the median curve. Okay, now n is nothing but n equal to total number of frequencies. Okay, total number of frequencies. Okay, number of observations are total number of frequencies. Okay, now here frequency of the median curve. Frequency of the median curve. Okay, frequency of the median curve. Okay, now CF means what? Cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency of the median, cumulative frequency of the preceding median curve. Okay, cumulative frequency of the preceding median curve. Into what? In model we have observed what the model curve. No. In the same way, in the group data, we can find the median curve. Okay. Now the cumulative frequency is above the median curve is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the preceding curve. Preceding and the mundu. Okay. So that is nothing but cumulative frequency of the preceding median curve. Okay, then the height equal to height of the curve. That you know already. Okay. Now this is the formula to find the median for the group data in this we can discuss about the CF concept. Okay? CF means you are cumulative frequency. Okay? Now, you can discuss the cumulative frequency of cumulative frequency concept. Okay? Now, see one example of median. Okay, your page number 342. Okay, suppose you have to find the median of the following data, which is about the marks out of 50 obtained by 100 students in the test. Okay, so total marks of the test is 50. Okay, now how many students attended the test? 100. Okay, now the marks and number of students are given. Okay, here is the table 20 marks, 6 number of students obtained. Okay, 28 students got 29 marks. Okay, 24 students got 38 marks. Okay, 15 students got 33 marks. Okay, now 2 students got 42 marks. Okay, 4 students got 38 marks. Okay, 1 student got 43 marks. Okay, 20 students got 25 marks. Okay, now the marks are not in a proper order. Okay, now we are arranging the marks in a ascending order. Okay, and the frequencies are here: 26, 25, 20, 28, 24, 29, 28. 28. Now 33, 15. Okay, 38, 4. Okay, 42, 2. Okay, 43, 1. Okay, now cumulative frequency. How we have to calculate? Okay, for 20 marks, how many marks? 6. So 6. Okay, now 25 marks. Up to 25 marks. How many members got 20 marks plus 25 marks? So 6 by 20. 26. Okay, means what? We are adding the negative frequency to the previous frequency. Okay. Okay. Now negative 28 marks. Means how many members got 26 with 24? How much? 50. 26 to 24. How much? 50. Okay. Next 29 marks. How many members got 28? So 50 by 28. 78. Okay, now 78. Now 33 marks. How many members got up to 33 marks? How many members got 33 marks వరకు ఎంతమందికి వచ్చాయి అంటే 78 to 15. How much? 78 to 15. 93. Okay, 93. Okay, 93. 78 to 15. Okay, 93. Okay. Now 38 one. How many got 4? Up to 38. 38 marks to all numbers వచ్చాయి. Okay. 38 marks వరకు మొత్తం ఎంతమందికి వచ్చాయి అంటే 93 means 4. 97. Okay? 97. Okay? Now after what is the month? How many guys? 97 to 99. Okay? Now, what is the month? After what is the month? How many guys? 99 to 100. Okay? This is the way of calculating cumulative frequency. Okay? Now, the cumulative frequencies are of two different types. Okay? That is nothing but less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. Okay? Less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. Okay? In less than cumulative frequency, we are adding the numbers, we are adding the frequencies of all the cassettes from top to bottom. Okay? Now, for ACF is less than cumulative frequency. Okay? And now coming to GCF. GCF, how we have to calculate from bottom to top. Okay? From bottom to top means what? We have to add from bottom to top. In reverse order, we have to calculate the frequency. That is GCF, greater than cumulative frequency. Okay? Okay? Now, for this one, how we have to calculate the median? Okay? N equal to how much? 100. N equal to 100. Okay? So N equal to 100 into what? 100 into what? Even number. Okay? So the median will be the average of n by 2 and n by 2 is 1. Okay? N by 2 equal to what? N by 2 equal to what? 50 by 2. 50 by 2. So 200 to 25. Okay? Equal to 25. Okay? Now n by 2 plus 1 equal to what? N by 2 plus 1 equal to what? 50 by 2. 50 by 2 plus 1 equal to 50 by 2 is 200, 250 ja, 225 ja 50. Okay? Now 25 plus 1. 25 plus 1. Okay? Equal to 26. Okay? Now 26 to 25. Now we have to take average. Average you know. If any given then we have to take the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Okay? Now 25 plus 26 by 2. 25th observation. Which one? 20. Okay? 25th observation. How much? 20. Okay? Okay? Okay, 50th observation is 28. Okay? This is the frequency. Okay? Now, 26. 51st observation is 29. 51st observation is okay, now see here, n equal to 100. Okay, n equal to 100. Okay, so n is here now. So n by 2 equal to 50 by 2 equal to 100 by 2 equal to 50. Okay, now n by 2 plus 1 equal to 100 by 2 into what? 50 plus 1. Okay, 51. Okay. Now the 50th observation means what? 50 cumulative frequency means 28 will be the actual 50 the cumulative frequency. Okay. Now then 28 will be the actual frequency. Okay. So this is 28. Okay. Now for 50 28. And for 51 it will be 29. Okay. Now, into what? Exactly 58 here. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency net what the frequency? Net gas you have to observe the frequency. That is the frequency for the 50th observation. Okay? Now, 50, 28. Then 51, 51st observation, 29. So, alright, 28 is 29. Okay? 28 is 29. How much? By 2. Equal to what? 9 to 6, 17. Okay? 57 by 2. Okay? Equal to 23.5. So the mean of the given data is 23.5. Okay? In this way we have to calculate the median value for ungrouped data. Okay? This is nothing but a cumulative frequency. How we have to calculate? Just we have to add the secondary frequency to the first frequency. And we have to write the sum in the second gas interval. Okay? We have to write the sum value corresponding to the second gas. Okay? That is nothing but way of writing the cumulative frequency. Okay? Now, from 28 to 29 equal what? 57 by 2. 57 by 2 is nothing but 28.5. Why? Because 28 to the 56. Okay? So, 57 by 2 is nothing but 28.5. Okay? So, the median value is 28.5 for this given data. Okay, next. For ungrouped data, how we have to find the frequency. Okay, now that we can discuss. Okay, now next example. Okay, page number 343. Okay, some marks are given and some number of students are given. Now we have to find the median value. Median for this data. Okay, that is nothing but 0 to 10, 5, 10 to 20, 3, 20 to 30, 4, 30 to 40, 3, 40 to 50. Okay, 40 to 50, 3, 50 to 54, 50 to 70, 7, 70 to 80, 9, 80 to 90, 7, 90 to 100, 8. Okay, now for this we have to draw the cumulative frequency. Okay, okay. I said that the cumulative frequencies are nothing but that is two different types. Okay, they are nothing but less cumulative frequencies, NCF and GCF. Okay, now for the median we can use either NCF or GCF. Okay, in both ACF and GCF. If we use also, we can get the median value. But the frequent method is using HCF is very much frequent to calculate the median value. Okay? Now HCF and GCF both you can discuss now. Okay? Now LCF GCF. Okay? LCF and GCF. Okay? Now 5 8. Top to bottom you have to add. 8 to 4, 12. Okay, 12 with 15. Now 15 with 18. Okay, now 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. 29 plus 9. 29 plus 9, 38. 29 plus 9, 38. Okay, now 38 plus 7, 38 plus 7, 43. Okay, 43. 38 plus 7, 45. 38 plus 7, 45. Okay, now 45 will take 53. Okay, 53. This is nothing but HCF counting method. Okay, you have to add each frequency to the next frequency. Okay, now for GCF, how we can calculate from bottom to top? I said earlier. Now that we can do. Okay, 8 plus 7, 15. Okay, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 24. Okay, 24 plus 7, 24 plus 7, 31. 31. Okay, now 31 plus 4, 35. 35. Next, 35 plus 3, 38. Okay, 38. 38 plus 3, 41. Okay, 41 plus 4, 41 plus 4, 45. Okay, 48 plus 3, 45 plus 3, 48. 48. Okay, 48 plus 5, 53. Okay, see here, 53, 53. Equal. Is what? If you count in any way, the total number of frequency will be equal. Okay? But in your textbook for the GCF value, here by using subtraction. Okay? That is not comfort. Okay? Because we can confuse. Okay? So the better way to find the GCF is to count from to add the frequency from bottom to top. Okay, this is the way of finding the HCF and GCF. Okay, and for the HCF you have to take the upper boundary of the gas. Okay, upper boundary of the gas means what? 10. Okay, here again, lambda equal to 10 means what? Lambda equal to 10 means what? 10 is the upper boundary. Yes or no? Similarly, for GCF value, you take the lower boundary. Lower boundary. Okay, lower boundary of the given gas. Okay, here see what the for GCF lambda equal to 10. Okay, now for GCF how we can ask, that is more than I equal to 10 0. Okay, more than I equal to 10, more than I equal to 20. Okay, in that way they can ask. In that way, the frequency table can be written. Okay, in both ways. Okay, so that is the difference between ACF and GCF. For ACF, we have to use the upper boundary of the gas, and for the GCF, we have to use the lower boundary of the gas. Okay, now we can discuss the median value, okay, of the given data. Now, total number of frequency n equal to what? 53. N equal to 53. 50 is an odd number. Okay, 53 is odd number. So what n by 2 observation is the median of the data. Okay, n by 2 equal to n by 2 equal to 53 by 2. 53 by 2. Okay, equal to 26.5. 26.5. Okay, 22 is 52. So 26.5 is the n by 2 value. Now see here, in the cumulative frequency, which is near to the 26.5 value, 29. Okay, 29. So 29 will be the CF value. Okay, 29 will be the CF value. Okay, now 28 plus 1 into 12, 7. Okay, plus 1 into 7. Okay, now the 60 to 70. 60 to 70. 50 to 70 is the median gas. Okay, 50 to 70 is the median gas. Okay, 50 to 70 is the median gas. Okay, so 50 to 70 is the median gas now. So n equal to okay, 50 to 70 is the median gas. Okay, 26.5 is near to 29. Okay, so 50 to 70 is the median gas. Okay, now 50 to 70 is the median gas now. So this will be the F value, frequency. Okay, now CF equal to frequency of the preceding median gas. So which is means what before. Okay, so 67 is the meaning now. Which is meaning is 50 to 50. Corresponding cumulative frequency is 22. So 22 is the cumulative frequency. Okay, now h equal to 10. Already we know. Okay, h equal to 10. H equal to 10. Okay, now n by 2 equal to 26.5. Okay, now CF equal to 22. 22. Okay, now F equal to 7. F equal to 7. Okay, now F equal to 7. Okay, now H equal to 10. H equal to 10. Already we got H equal to 10. Now L equal to 60. L equal to 60. L equal to 60. Harmony of the median curve. Okay, so harmony of the median curve is what? 60. Okay, now we got all values. Now you have to calculate the median value. Okay, now we can calculate. Now median equal to L by 2 L plus n by 2, that is small n after no problem. N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, now equal to 50 plus n by 2 into what? N by 2. 53 by 2. 53 by 2 minus CF into what? 22. 22 by F equal to 7 into 10. Okay, now equal to 53 by 2 how much? 26.5. 50 plus 26.5 minus 22 by 7 into 10. Okay, now that is something but equal to 60 plus 28.5 minus 22, 4.5. Okay, 4.5 into 10 by 7. Okay, now then nothing but equal to 50 into 50 plus 4.5 into 10, 45. 45 by 7. Okay, now 45 by 7, how much? 50 plus 2, 45 by 7. Okay, 45 divided by 7. Okay. Now figure 42. 42. Okay. 3 left 2. Keep point. Okay. 30. 28. Okay. So 2 remain. 20. Now do the 14. Okay, this is a repeating decimal. So the first value is something but 6.42. Okay, 6.42. Okay, 6.42. Okay, that is nothing but 50 plus 66 plus 66.42. Okay, this is the median value for the given data, given group data. Okay, this is a way of finding the median value for the given group data. Okay, now tomorrow we can discuss the examples. Okay, CF and CF is nothing but adding the frequencies from top to bottom. That is nothing but CF. Okay, after getting CF values, okay, in total number of frequency equal to you have to count. Okay, after n by 2 value. Okay, after getting n by 2 value, that n by 2 value is near to which frequency, which cumulative frequency we have to see. Okay, that value corresponding, that value associated class is known as median class. Okay, that then the preceding value will be the CF value. Okay, that is the way to find the median for the given data. Okay, tomorrow we can discuss the next problems. Okay, thank you.